Hey guys, it's your girl Cassandra here at Koeppel Mazda, and today we want to take you behind the scenes to a segment that we call What's in the Box. Come along. And today we have Romo.
Hello, how you doing?
So Romo, tell us about your unique box here. Why did you choose this color?
I love this color. I love this color. This color, nobody else have this color.
No.
Right? Over here, we have all different sizes of socket, swivel. We got a different extension, ratchet. We have a torque wrench here. Just the torque, the set wheel, and the cylinder head bolt to factory spec.
All right, so you got a lot of stuff here, so I'm gonna pick one random one here.
Any one you want to pick.
Now, Ramo's been with us for about 30 years, so I know we're gonna find something good. So let's open up this one.
This one here.
Wow,
So
what do we
let's
have?
get this one guy over here. This is a coolant pressure tester to test the radiator and hose to see if they have any leaks or it's holding pressure. Plus you have different adapter.
Nice. Nice. And let's pick another one. Let's say this one.
This one here. Now this is a oil compression gauge to test the engine oil pressure. If the oil warning light keep coming on, we could check if the oil pump is working properly. That's a different adapter for different vehicle.
Okay, Ramos, so you mentioned green being your favorite color. However, tell us something unique about this box here.
So this box here, I made it out of plywood for maker. Put it on the shelf myself because regular snap-on box is like $4,000. So I homemade this one and it works the same way. I got storage in here. I have a little shelf for my radio.
Okay.
And I save a ton of money with this box.
I bet. But you still have your nice little office space.
This is my little office space, my little countertop here, right?
All right, so I've never seen anybody have this before, but it looks like he has a little locker right here. What you have added onto here?
So this is my locker. I have a battery tester, regular gloves, a lot of relay and switches, what I use to diagnose car, fuse, window switches, headlight switches to test.
This is so cool. Nobody has a box like this.
Special funnel to put the coolant in the radiator.
All right, now in addition to that, we have 1, 2, and now we have another box. What do you have in here?
So this box here, all my drill, air gun, cordless tools, all my cordless tools here, which they work great to do the job instead of go drag the air hose out. So these works pretty good. Impact gun for the wheels.
Nice. So for the most part, do you use all of these?
At times, yes.
Okay.
I use all of them at times.
Nice. All right. Now, show us one of your favorite tools.
My favorite tools?
Your favorite tool.
This guy come over here.
Oh, there's a fourth one here.
This is my everyday use. These two.
Yes.
My favorite tools.
Okay.
Impact gun. They work great. They make that bropping noise, which everybody loves to hear.
And is this like your little cart to
Yeah,
go
this
around?
is my cart to go around. So I wheel this around. If I have to go to the next lift to work, I just roll this over. And this have everyday tools what I do use every day.
Nice.
Right? And if I don't need tools, then I go back to the toolbox.
Great. Okay, now Ramo, I
Yes.
know you've been here for a while.
Oh, this is when I first started. I have my AM/FM radio with CD. CD player.
A single CD player?
Single CD player. Right? So then I upgrade a little bit to my iPhone with my little JBL speaker. All right.
There we go.
So there's no more CDs. So
Right.
you got to go to YouTube.
YouTube and
Yeah,
stream it.
that's it.
Nice. Yo, Richie, what you think? It's like a party in this corner. Well, thank you, Romo, for your time and showing us your unique box.
You're welcome.
Anything else you want to add on?
No, really. Yeah, I'm good.
You're good?
I'm
All right.
good.
Well, also, if you take a look here, he's been around a long time. Bonus, looks like a special delivery.
Oh, what do I receive here?
Let's see.
Oh, it's my master plaque from Mazda.
Nice. Mazda Master Technician.
See what else they have in
for
here.
you here.
Fender cover
Wow.
from Mazda.
Nice. So more stuff to add on to your collection.
This will work nice over here. Look at how beautiful that thing fit the fender.
Perfect. Nice. Well, congratulations, Romo. You definitely deserve it. And now everybody will know. Hey, congratulations, Romo.
Thank you, guys.